Peugeot 408. The new Peugeot 408 is the first of its kind, a new fastback silhouette at the top of the C segment. This new age Peugeot combines a unique design and feline stance with engineering excellence focused on efficiency and intelligent electrification, with cutting-edge technologies dedicated to creating an instinctive driving experience. The mould-breaking Peugeot 408 stands out first and foremost for its dynamic fastback silhouette and unmistakable style. The feline stance is typical of the latest Peugeot models, with its sharp lines and color-coded grille, the latter of which blends in perfectly with the front end and showcases the new Peugeot emblem. At the front, a distinctive fang-shaped light signature brings the 408 into line with the rest of the Peugeot family, as do the three-claw LED lights at the rear. An inverted cutout in the rear bumper also gives the profile a distinctive look. With a height of 1.48 meters, a length of 4.69 meters and a long wheelbase of 2.79 meters, the new Peugeot 408 provides spacious second-row seats with 188 mm of knee-room. The boot is also generously sized, with a maximum volume of 536 liters, which can be increased to 1,611 liters with the rear seats folded down. For its driver and passengers, the new 408 offers the latest generation Peugeot i-cockpit, recognizable by its compact steering wheel, which is dedicated to driving pleasure and controlled agility. Emphasis is placed on the quality of the interior space and on connectivity, with the latest technologies making the driving and traveling experience more intuitive and rewarding. Powered by 6 cameras and 9 radars, a suite of 30 advanced driver assistance systems provide peace of mind and safety. These include adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go function, night vision, which warns of animals, pedestrians or cyclists in the lane before they appear in the high beam, long-range blind spot monitoring, 75 meters rear traffic alert, which warns of potential hazards when reversing. The Peugeot 408 will be available with a range of powertrains, including 2 rechargeable plug-in hybrids with 180 and 225 horsepower respectively, as well as a PureTech 130 horsepower petrol version. All 3 are coupled to an 8-speed E-TEC automatic gearbox. An all-electric 408 will follow. Efficiency was a key concern for the designers of the new Peugeot 408. Since the combination of efforts in terms of aerodynamics, weight reduction, from 1,396 kg. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.